Yeah, this is a CP75 series grinder. This is 7540, which is a 4-inch, also available in a 4.5 and 5. It's got the safety trigger. Some people have trouble with this sort of trigger. Not with the CP one. It's just a simple push forward, and you're on, and then release, and it's off. Great feature of this, something I particularly like, is you can hold the tool quite far forward. Gives you a really nice single-handed use. Great feature of the guard is this quick to use click lock. Very positive. Swivel it around to any convenient position, just clicks in place, really positive, quick and easy. On this tool we've got the CP Airflex coupling fitted, which is a really fantastic device. It makes the hose feel like it isn't there. Especially good if you're grinding in awkward positions. Really great addition to the tool.